Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I receive USD in Revolut? Before I answer that question, let's take a step back and talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, currency exchange, and investing. One of the most popular features of Revolut is its ability to hold and exchange multiple currencies. So, can you receive USD in Revolut? The answer is yes. You can receive USD in Revolut in a few different ways. Bank transfer: you can transfer money from your bank account to your Revolut account in USD. SEPA transfer: if you live in the European Economic Area, EEA, you can use SEPA transfer to send money to your Revolut account in USD. Wire transfer: you can use wire transfer to send money to your Revolut account in USD. Card top-up: you can use a credit or debit card to top up your Revolut account in USD. Once you have USD in your Revolut account, you can use it to make payments, send money to other people, and exchange it for other currencies. Benefits of receiving USD in Revolut. There are a number of benefits to receiving USD in Revolut. Low fees: Revolut charges very low fees for currency exchange and international transfers. Fast transfers: transfers are typically completed within a few seconds or minutes. Easy to use: the Revolut app is easy to use and navigate. Secure: Revolut uses a number of security measures to protect your money. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for receiving USD in Revolut. Make sure you have a USD account. You will need to have a USD account in Revolut in order to receive USD. Check the exchange rate. The exchange rate can fluctuate, so it's important to check the rate before you make a transfer. Be aware of fees. While Revolut charges low fees, there may be additional fees charged by your bank or the bank of the person you are sending money to. Yes, you can receive USD in Revolut. It's a great way to hold and use USD, and it's easy to do. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.